EverBank high savings account. Imagine banking that doesn't just keep up with your financial goals but actually propels them forward. With EverBank's innovative approach, you are not just saving, you are growing. Discover how EverBank is redefining what it means to truly invest in your future. So hi guys, and welcome in this video where we'll talk about EverBank high savings account. So EverBank is a financial institution that combines the stability of traditional banking with innovative financial solutions designed to empower individuals and businesses alike. With a commitment to providing competitive rates, cutting-edge technology, and personalized customer service, EverBank aims to redefine the banking experience. Whether you are looking to manage your savings more effectively, invest for the future, or secure financing, EverBank offers a range of products tailored to meet your needs. Their mission is to help you not only achieve your financial goals but exceed them while maintaining a strong foundation of trust and reliability. So first of all, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into everbank.com. So this is the homepage of EverBank. To know more information about EverBank, so we have your personal, business, commercial, and about personal. Here we have banking, today's rates, support, about high yield accounts. You have performance savings, performance money market, performance checking. Then we have CD accounts, performance CD. Then we have diversified investing overview, precious metals, foreign currencies, market safe CDs. We have online and mobile, online tools and services, mobile banking, send money with Zelle, awards and donation. Then we have your banking, today's rates, and then let's move into the business. We have your business home, today's rates, support. Then we have your account, checking overview, money market, high yield, CDs, business CDRs, CDs, currency access account. Then we have services, treasury services, merchant services, foreign exchange. Then we have the last one, it's online and mobile. We have business, online banking, and mobile banking. And we have here commercial. So about commercial overview, we are here to help build up your business too, so you can create more value, impact, and potential. You can rely on our dedicated specialists, highly responsive service, and fast expertise to propel your business forward. Then we have your commercial home, client service. We have B2B solution here, and we have in solutions, fund financing, multifamily lending specialty, and lender financing. I have the last one, it's about EverBank. We know the hard work you put in to get where you are, and we want you to know that funding and earned advantage is what drives us. We are committed to delivering consistently high yields, dedicated service. So let's come back to the homepage. We have here in the homepage, open an account. So you click open account and write your personal information. Then you start with EverBank. Then you have your login. If you already did an account, all you have to do is click over login and you write your personal information. Then you find your account. You have your deposit for research. You click over it and you search whatever you want. Then you have here how much people use EverBank. Then if we scroll down, we have your other information like personal banking. Here we have 5% Apple gifts, your savings and advantage. So what is that? So boosting a competitive high yield and no monthly maintenance fee, our EverBank performance savings account makes your hard-earned money work harder for you. We have your business banking beyond the basic specialized financial solutions. Then we have here two things. We have the first one is ever protected and ever performing. We have ever protected here with FDIC insurance. You can be sure that your hard-earned money is secure and safe at EverBank. Your deposits are automatically insured by the FDIC up to the legal limit. Then we have ever performing here. You deserve to get the most out of your money, so we deliver solutions that succeed, from competitive interest rates to our performance accounts built to fit your individual needs. If we scroll down, we have also here 5% EverBank performance savings. Take your savings to the next level with our high yield account, boosting no monthly account fee, no minimum balance requirements, and easy mobile and online access. Then we have in the approximative of the EverBank performance, have each time you bank it on more, get more out of your money, and how you bank with the account services and rates that separate us from banking as usual. We have here strong security. Rest assured that your information, accounts, and money are safe with our range of trusted security measures. Then we have free card access, With our checking and money market accounts, fully access your cash at over than 80,000 no-fee items across the country. Then you have mobile check deposits. Why go out of your way to deposit a check? Use our mobile app to send it to us securely and in a snap. Then we have about us here. Learn about our rich history, dynamic growth, diverse services, and unwavering commitment to financial success. You have here some information to keep it in mind. And if you scroll down, we have also other things. We have here EverBank, we are closer than you think, and you can just click over contact us and you start with it. So we have here also other information. So we have here for us hours and recognition, newsroom, security center, search cars, and this is discover. We have here resources, ATM finder, branch locations, format application, accessibility, my money program, and that's it with it. So EverBank distinguishes itself by offering a comprehensive suite of financial products that cater to both individuals and businesses, providing competitive interest rates that maximize returns and saving CDs and investment accounts. Their innovative approach to banking is reflected in a variety of specialized financial products, including high-yield savings accounts and customizable investment options tailored to meet the unique goals of each customer, leveraging cutting-edge technology. EverBank's online platform and mobile app make it incredibly easy to manage your finances on the go with intuitive interface and real-time access to your accounts. Moreover, EverBank places a strong emphasis on personalized customer service, ensuring that every client receives expert advice and solutions that are aligned with their specific financial objective. This commitment to personalization extends to their flexible banking solutions, which can be customized to fit the needs of individuals seeking simple checking accounts or businesses requiring complex financial services. So security is a top priority at EverBank with advanced measures in place to protect your financial information and assets. Their global reach coupled with deep local market knowledge allows EverBank to offer insights and opportunities that are both expensive and relevant to clients in various regions. EverBank's dedication to growth is evident in their strategic client resources, educational tools, and investment opportunities designed to help customers not only meet but exceed their financial goals, ensuring a secure and prosperous future. So, EverBank, a unique blend of competitive financial products, cutting-edge technology, and personalized service, all backed by a strong commitment to security and client success. Whether you are looking to manage your finances efficiently or grow your wealth strategically, EverBank is dedicated to helping you achieve your financial goals with confidence. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.